I heard it's leave out season. And with leave out season, that means it's V-part season. And y'all, look at this beautiful body wave V-part wig that came curled and was easy to install with these beautiful bombshell curls in minutes. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ash Takeoff, but we're gonna get right into the details. Details, y'all. This is a V-part wig install video, so it's funny that I just said that. I am in the process of getting my hair trimmed soon, so until then, I will be installing this V-part wig because it's so convenient and so easy to wear literally anywhere, anytime, for any occasion. Because my hair is already previously straightened, this is the perfect time to go ahead and install this V-part wig. I love to do this when I have an old silk press, when I have an old blowout, when I don't know of any style to do. If I just feel like switching it up from my natural length, I'm going to throw on a V-part. This will be versatile, so I am leaving a little bit of hair out in the front, and I'm going to go in with the section for my actual middle part. Doing this allows me to be able to do half up, half down, a ponytail, even a flip over method, which I will be doing in this video, and you literally get a seamless install. This is a quick and simple way to install this wig. Using this method, all you need is one anchor plait on each side of your leave out and you're good to go. Go ahead and attach those plaits to your low ponytail or bun, and then all we have to do is literally install this wig, y'all. This is a 24-inch body wave easy contour V-part wig, and all the information on this hair will be down below, y'all. So beautiful. The texture is so beautiful. The curls that came with this wig to help add to the body wave lusciousness is so beautiful. All you have to do is cut off those little pieces. That helps to keep the wig intact while it's shipping, and you're good to go. What makes this wig an easy contour is the seamless part in the middle, and it has an adjustable drawstring in the back that literally contours to your head. All you have to do is unclip those clips, and you're going to install it right on your head. Because the easy contour wig has a seamless start to its V-part, it does help to be able to blend and lay our natural hair more easily on it. Once I have it installed, y'all, that is pretty much it. Like, the only thing I would be doing is going in and lightly curling my natural hair to match this wig, and I am good to go. Shout out to Amazon UNICE, y'all. All the information on this hair will be down below, so please feel free to check it out if you're interested. I love a V-part wig when it gets cold. My leave out literally lasts all day, almost for a week if I wanted to, if I'm being careful in the shower and in the gym. So very, very, very beginner friendly, very natural hair friendly, and it's just very switch it up and be a bad girl friendly. I'm at the point in the video where I am about to go, so if you made it this far, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you subscribe to my channel to come take off with me so you can join the fam, and we're just going to be on this journey together, y'all. Don't forget, all the information on this hair will be down below in the description box, and while you're down there, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. That lets me know that you found this video helpful. And comment, what do you guys think? Before I go, y'all, look at my facial expression. I was so shocked at how this looked. A low ponytail with your leave out with this wig is chef's kiss. But stay tuned to the end to see me do a quick and simple way to flip over in seconds with this method and with this wig. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.